Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to fix an unexpected error occurred in Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on cause we post content like this on our channel. So to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So if you're having an error while you're trying to open Facebook, then first thing you can do is check if your Facebook is updated or not. So for that, you can just go to your Play Store and type Facebook. So as you guys can see, it's showing open rather than update, which means my Facebook is up to date. And if it's still not opening up, then you can always go to your setting and offload Facebook. So to do that, you can just go to your setting, go to app management, and in app management, click on Facebook, storage usage, clear data, clear. So it's just going to delete all the cache data of Facebook from your phone, and it's gonna make it like new Facebook. It's like you just downloaded Facebook again, and you open your Facebook and log into your account. And if it's still showing an unexpected error, then you can always just uninstall and install Facebook. This should fix it. So if any of my tip worked and you found this video helpful, then please be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make in the future. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.